slanted this way.
It's gonna look.
And so they start off shallow, right? And then they get steeper.
Yes. So it's gonna go like this.
Right.
Okay, I kind of know what's happening.
Okay.
So they start off and shallow, and then they get, oops, I don't want that to be a straight line.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to go from a curve into a curve and it look right.
And it doesn't look right.
Now, again, this is not the only, we could have straight lines here. This is not the only way we could draw this, but it has to have this basic
So I
shape.
can draw this with straight lines.
Well, no, probably straight lines. I probably misspoke there because
Is it
these
a
are not all the same, so it couldn't be a straight line. But, unless they were decreasing at the same rate, I guess it could be.
Well, you're a funny story.
Not real quick. Not yet. Nope. Got stuff to do. Okay, now from here, positive or negatives?
Positive.
They're positives, and are they decreasing or increasing?
Increasing.
They're increasing.
They go up.
So we're going to go up.
Right now.
Yeah, we're about to drop down again.
And they go up to
A long time.
somewhere over there.
They match the highway.
And then they come back down.
And then, yes, now they're negative, and it's decreasing, so it's going to come back down.
Dang it, I missed one.
That was such a good hill, and then it just died.
Oh, nope, bad. I did something.
What did we do?
Did I see what I did?
No.
No.
I was
Okay, it was increasing, but they were all positive, and then it decreased, and then it went up. It should have gone
Down.
right here.
Oh, well, that didn't.
Oh, that's what I drew. I thought you.
Because all of those were positive. I just didn't finish that out,
And then
sorry.
you just go, boom. Straight down. Right.
Yeah,
Well,
Yeah,
that didn't
because
hurt any of
it didn't hurt any of y'all. Good.
No, we thought that's what you did.
Well, that's what I was supposed to do. But I
I
didn't.
didn't do that.
And it's color-coded, so hopefully that helps
Now can I tell my funny story?
you. Ooh, we got stuff to do.
Yeah, we got stuff.
How quick is it?
Like really quick.
Wait,
Okay.
what's it about?
Go.
So yesterday, after Coach Week made someone cry, so she walked over to hug them and went like this. They were crying.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of funny.
Okay, so pictured below is the graph of the function f of x, and we're supposed to answer the questions that follow about f prime of x. So we're basically dealing with
Did we
this
do it
column.
wrong?
what?
Is this prime?
What's that?
Different than ours.
Oh, wait, these are different colors.
We drew nothing.
No, those are.
No, that's the same thing. What is this prime? What is that?
Yeah, so our
Derivative.
No, but why look at it?
Our prime looks nothing like their prime.
It's an apostrophe.
No. We're talking about this little prime graph.
The prime next to it.
Okay, are you talking about this graph?
Oh, that's for a different problem.
Yeah, this is a whole new problem. I was like, I am so
We
confused.
thought that was the prime graph.
Sorry, no.
Like,
We
you
didn't
know.
do that.
So everybody else is going like, what? Okay, so this is f of x, and we're going to answer the questions about f prime of x based on my picture of f of x, or our picture of f of x. So the first one says approximate.
Yes.
When you approximate, that
Yes.
means you're going to be doing a secant line slope.
What's the second
Not-
one?
Okay, what is a secant line?
The opposite of a
Tangent.
no, not a tangent. It's a cosecant.
We first talked about a secant line
I remember the
when we did derivatives, when we first started talking about derivatives.
Where's my big
Oh, this is the 2 point.
Yes, this crosses
Okay.
it at 2 points. So if it's f of 4,
Where's my big bold words?
we're going to go through the points. Let me
Those aren't the right
change the color here.
I see what you mean. I forgot.
Let's see, it was 4. So we'll go through 3 and 5 because those are the points around it.
Oh,
So
Up there.
3, 1, 2, 3, and -1, so that's right here.
Uh-huh.
And then 5,
Is the max.
3, 4, 5, yep, is right here. So we're finding
That's
the slope of that secant line.
it's like almost vertical.
Oh my gosh,
Not
yeah.
really.
This is definitely going to go through another line.
It's okay.
So we have the 2 points, 3, -1, and 5, 4. So the approximation of f prime of 4, how would I do that?
Minus 3.
Very good.
If we're doing it.
Yeah, f prime, remember, means slope of tangent line, although it's a secant line if we're approximating. So it's 5/2.
That's the value.
Yes, or 2.5.
4, 5, 4, 2.5.
Which makes sense. If you count, you'd go up 5 to the right too.
I'm
You
probably
could have done it that way.
for the chest. I'm going to figure it one more.
So when it says approximate, then we're going to have to find 2 points around it, and we're going to have to find the slope of that secant line.
Is the next quiz we take the homework quiz?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So at what value or values of x is f prime of x equal to 0? And we want to justify our answer.
Would it be at those three
-4,
min
1,
and max?
5.
Okay, min and maxes, right?
Yeah.
So, oops, pretend that's straight across. And then there's one here.
Unless it's a straight line.
Again, that one's still not straight.
But it's like straight or crooked.
Ah, I gotcha.
Do we have to do any math?
Counting.
Well, this is math, but yeah.
I mean, what
Ah.
counting is this?
So f prime of x equals 0 when x is what?
4, -4, 1, and 5.
Because what?
Because
Because it's a min or max.
F of x.
Yeah, I don't know.
What else? What do you know about the tangent?
Because the slope of the tangent line is 0.
It's
Yes.
horizontal.
All of those were fine.
I was like, I didn't know what was a reason to give that it was min and max.
But the reason why I didn't want you to say is a min or max or relative min or max is because we know we can have a horizontal tangent line equaling 0 when it's not a min or max. So that's, if that came up on a test or quiz, I would count off probably half point because you're forgetting about others that it could happen. Okay. On what open intervals is f prime of x less than 0 and justify your answer?
We didn't find open.
Yeah.
Open intervals, good question. Open intervals just means you're going to use parentheses and not brackets.
So you're not going to touch them.
Right. And the reason why that is, it's not that you don't touch it, it's just that at that point it'll change from positive to negative or negative to positive or 0 to whatever, however it's working.
So,
This is a lot.
this is going to be 1.
Okay, so where f prime of x is less than 0.
Would it be from
7.
-1.
So what are we
7.
looking for in the picture?
a decreasing
Decreasing.
slope?
Decreasing.
Oh,
So it's decreasing here,
I'm being stupid.
right?
Yeah.
And there would be negative tangents there. Where else is it decreasing?
the other end.
The other, I'm assuming you mean here.
Yeah, 7, whatever.
Okay.
I think it's 7.
5 to infinity.
I was correct that is 7.
Okay, so f prime of x is less than 0 on the interval. What is it? Go from left to right.
Negative 4,
Negative
4, 1.
Negative 4 to 1. Union. And then where else?
Negative
5.
5 to infinity.